medicines you take, even eye drops. Stop taking Spiriva and call your doctor right away if your breathing suddenly worsens, your throat or tongue swells, you get hives, vision changes or eye pain, or problems passing urine. Other side effects include dry mouth and constipation.
Nothing can reverse COPD.
Miles, mag-get.
Breathe better.
Miles.
Breathing with COPD is no.
Be mag-get.
Ask your doctor about Spiriva.
Mag-get.
When we want information on someone, we search them. When they want
Mag-get.
information on you, they search you. But when the information they find is misleading, like the exaggerated negative reviews of a respected doctor, or personal, like the new address and unlisted number of a young woman escaping a bad relationship, it can have a serious impact on your life and your business. Reputation.com helps control how you look when people search you, protecting your
Wrong way, little guy.
by deleting personal
Wrong way. You gotta
information
flip
from
it like
websites
this.
that
Come here.
sell it, and repairing your reputation
Okay, here it
by
can.
suppressing negative material with truthful, positive content that you control.
This
Go to
way.
Reputation.com today
Gun.
and get 15% off our regular
Now
price.
put it in here.
Click on the lock icon
Gun.
in the corner of the page and enter the discount code
Gun.
now or call 888-560-2183.
This way. Hold it like this. See? Okay, now. Gun.
There's a shout down in Louisiana where family meets
Miles, mag-get.
My name's Will Hay.
You almost got it. A little bit more.
You can dream it, we can build it. I want to build something.
Yay! You did it. Mag-get. Mag-get.
Who pulled this off?
Mag-get. You need help? Do you need help? Yes? Yes? Okay, here. Let me help you right here. Okay, you hold one end. There you go. See? See?
continues on Military Channel with an all-day lineup of shows dedicated to the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Almost.
Celebrate America's birthday with the 4th of July Marathon. All day, Monday, July 4th, starting at 6 a.m. Part of Military Channel.
You almost got it, little guy.
Birthday, America.
Miles, mag-get.
Welcome back to an Officer in a Movie. I'm back again with Marine Corps Major Tim Brady. Now, Major, there are a lot of films that show a bunch of ragtag recruits being whipped into shape by gung-ho characters like Highway. But in fact,
Almost.
credit their NCOs for helping them to grow and even keeping them alive. Is that true?
Put it in there.
I fondly remember the staff.
You gotta flip it the other way. You flip it like that. Hold like that.
First Sergeant Martinez,
Gun?
First Sergeant Warren.
Okay, there you go. Now put it in.
Hard.
Feed it through.
Example staff.
Yay! Miles, tẹt đây, yeah. Tẹt đây.
Education is actually
Tẹt đây, mag-get. Mag-get.